Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find the maximum f of t in terms of a and b. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the function in here. So the first thing we need to do, we need to find first derivative f of t. First derivative of cosine t, we have negative sine t. First derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. So because we want to find the maximum value, so we need to find the critical value in here equal to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by cosine t. And we divide both sides by a2. And we know that sine t over cosine t equals to tan t. Now we have the formula in here. So let's say we have tan c equals to d. So if we want to find the value of c, we have c equal to arctan of d, and we have kb, and k should belongs to integers. And now we can find the value of this one. So we have t equals to arctan of b over 8 plus kb. So we know that about the period of trigonometry, that should be about from 0 to 2b. Now we need to find the value of t belongs to from this one. So we just have only t equals to arctan b over 8. This one when k equals to number 0, and arctan b over 8 plus kb, plus b. If we put k equals to number 2, so we have to be is bigger than outside this interval in here. How can we know this one belongs to this one? So because we have a is greater than number 0, b is greater than number 0, so that means they is bigger than number 0 in here, but smaller than 2b. That's why they belong to this interval from 0 to 2b. And now we need to find which one can create about maximum. Now let's consider about this one. So after we have this one, we go back to this function. So that means I will put this value gone here and this value gone here. However, we don't know exactly what is the value of cosine arctan of b over 8. And now I will draw the triangle in here. This one that is about the right angle. Let's say I will choose this angle alpha in here. We see that arctan of b over 8. So we know that tan alpha in this right angle, that should be about opposite divided by adjacent. So if we want to get alpha, or maybe about t in here, so we have alpha equal to arctan of opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite, that is about B. Adjacent, that is about A. We can find the value of this one. That is about A square plus B square. So that is about Pythagorean theorem. So this is the way we can find the last one side in here. But we use about cosine. Cosine, that is about adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is for cosine, and about sine, that is about opposite over hypotenuse. So that means if we put arctan B over A go to cosine in here, we will have adjacent. Adjacent, that's about A over hypotenuse, that is about this one. About the next one, we have opposite, that's about B over the square root of A square plus B square. So I need to move this one in here. So after we have this one, we have A and A, we have A square. B and B, we have B square over the square root of A square plus B square. We know that this one in here, that is about the square root of A square plus B square, everything to the power of 2 over the square root of A square plus B square. And we have the square root of A square plus B square. And this is for the first one. Now let's go to the second one. So we use the same. And now I will put T goal here. Now we can apply this formula. We have cosine A plus B equals to cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. And the second one, sine of A plus B equals to sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. Now we can apply this one for A, this one for B. So they should be like this. We have cosine with arctan of B over A. So cosine with octang of b over a, that's about this one. So I just want to go a little bit faster in here. So cosine of b in here, that is about negative number 1. So if we put sine b in here, you got 0 in here. Now let's go to the second one. Sine with octang, but we have cosine b, so that is about negative number 1. Sine with octang, that is about this one, and we have b, negative b over the square root of a square plus b square. Because sine of b we have number 0, so if we simplify, we have negative the square root of a square plus b square. So this one, that is about mean. This one, that is about mass. So the value we need to find, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.